Hi, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's discuss an important Spring Boot interview question. The question is, what happens when a prototype scoped bean is injected into a singleton bean in Spring? This is a very common interview question. So let's understand it clearly. First, let's understand what actually happens when the application starts. Step 1 is the Spring container creates the singleton bean. Step 2 is during the creation of the singleton bean, Spring also creates one instance of the prototype bean. Step 3 is that prototype bean instance is injected into the singleton bean. And fourth step is the same prototype bean instance is reused whenever it is needed by that singleton bean. So even if we call the method multiple times inside the singleton bean, the same prototype bean object will be used every time. Next, now let's look at a simple example. Here prototype bean is annotated with @scope and with the value prototype. So normally whenever we request this bean from the Spring container, a new instance can be created. But here we are directly auto-wiring the prototype bean into our singleton bean. The singleton bean itself is a singleton, so Spring creates it only once. While creating that singleton bean, Spring creates the prototype bean and injects that particular instance. So simply making a bean as prototype doesn't mean a new object will be created for every method call. Next is interview ready answer. If the interviewer asks this question, you can answer like this. When your prototype scoped bean is directly injected into a singleton scoped bean, Spring creates the prototype bean when the singleton bean is created and injects that instance into the singleton. Although the bean is configured with the prototype scope, the injected instance is not recreated every time. The singleton continues to use the same prototype instance throughout its life cycle. This happens because the singleton dependency is resolved only once during the singleton's creation. So direct injection of a prototype bean into a singleton doesn't preserve prototype behavior for each method call. In interview, remember this simple rule. Prototype injected directly into singleton with the same instance throughout the singleton's life cycle. So how can we make a prototype bean truly behave like a prototype inside a singleton? We will see that in next video. That's it. If you found my video is helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for more Java full stack real-time interview questions. Thank you.